Hi, my name is Jacob Korn. I'm professor of genome biology at ETH in the Institute of Molecular Health Sciences. In my lab, we research genome editing. We try to develop genome editing technologies, and we try to use genome editing to ask fundamental questions and maybe someday try to help human health. Genome editing is a way of changing the fundamental DNA code that's inside your body. So instead of having a DNA code that's just stuck static for your whole life, if you were, say, born with a mutation, instead of just knowing you had that mutation, genome editing might give you a possibility of fixing the mutation and thereby curing the genetic disease. International research funding is absolutely critical for any type of research infrastructure, and it's not just about the money, it's not about the funding. The funding right now is being supplied in a stopgap by the Swiss government, which is very generous and very much appreciated, but international grants are also ways of almost advertising your group and the research going on to an international community, and that means that the top people in the world know about your research and want to come to Switzerland to do that type of research with you. So if you want to have the best people in the world here in Switzerland thinking about interesting problems and doing research and finding solutions to problems that benefit Swiss people, the only way to get them here is by having other people know about them, by having the whole world know about them. And that's really the benefit of international research consortia like the ERC, like these types of EU projects, is letting the world know about the strength of Swiss science. Yeah, so like many Swiss people, one of my top hobbies is climbing mountains and visiting the Alps. Before our daughter was born, we used to spend a lot of time rock climbing, but she's only 4 years old right now, and so we have not been able to get her up anything too steep. And hopefully when she gets a little bit older, we'll be able to take her on some larger Via Ferratas and other types of climbing routes.